In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from HoneyBook. Whether you're transitioning to a new platform, need a backup, or simply want to have your contacts in an easily accessible format, exporting your contacts is a straightforward task that can be accomplished quickly. Let's walk through this process together so you can get the most out of your HoneyBook experience. To start, you'll want to log into your HoneyBook account and navigate to your dashboard. Once there, you'll notice a variety of options on your menu. Go ahead and click on Contacts. This will take you to a page where all your contacts are displayed. It's the starting point for managing your client relationships effectively. Once you're on the contacts page, take a moment to just appreciate the layout. It's designed to make finding and managing contacts as seamless as possible. Moving forward, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find a symbol that you might be familiar with, the three dots. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with additional options. Now, within this menu, you'll see an option that reads Download Spreadsheet. This is the function we're looking for to export your contacts. Select Download Spreadsheet, and with that simple step, HoneyBook takes care of the rest. Your contacts will be compiled into a CSV file, which is a type of file that can be easily opened with spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. This format is ideal because it maintains the organization of your data and allows for easy manipulation or reference at any time. Once you've made the selection, you should see the CSV file download automatically onto your device. It's a good practice to check your downloads folder or wherever your device saves downloaded files by default. This way, you can easily access your newly created spreadsheet. Think of this CSV file as your contact Rolodex, but digital and much more versatile. With your contacts now safely exported, you can manage them however you like, whether that's uploading them to another platform, keeping them as a backup, or using them for outreach efforts. It can be empowering to know that you have control over your data and can access it outside of just HoneyBook. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your contacts from HoneyBook. It's a simple process, but also a powerful one, putting you in control of your data management. If you ever need a refresher, feel free to return to this video. Happy organizing, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.